Good morning. Today I'm going to discuss one of the very important aspect in occupational health, that is ILO International Classification of Radiograph of Pneumoconiosis. So the latest guideline which has been issued by the International Labour Organization in 2020, and as per the guideline, that only the digital images that will be used and only in the DICOM format to be used for classification purpose, and this is the guideline. So the final thing, that after the evaluation by the radiographs by the trained person, then one format is there. So if we go to the page number 28, 27, so this is the format. So this format can be filled up by pen and paper. Just print it out, and it can be pen and paper. There is another approach to do that. One is fully digitized method using a software which is known as BViewer. So first, I just want to discuss that right now, ILO International Classification of Radiograph of Pneumoconiosis, it's one of the statutory requirement. It was earlier there in the Mine Action Rule, but it has right now been incorporated into the central rule, and it's become the mandatory requirement for the medical officer to be trained on that. And if we see their requirement of the medical officer to be trained in occupational health, and including International Labour Organization classification of chest radiograph, duly recognized by the central government. Along with that, we can find that ILO radiography, that's format, it is a mandatory in the IME, in the PME, and their directions, everything has been given in the central rule. So the point is, as per the latest guideline, it must be based using the digital DICOM image, and this specific format has been given. So now to do it with using the digital image, so we can use a software which is known as BViewer. So let's try to see that BViewer. Yes. So so it is a BViewer. It is a the software is developed by NIOSH, and it is used in the USA. And in the BViewer, there are, whenever we will open a BViewer software, so we can find that there are different components, including select the study, and then there enter interpretation, then produce report, and set up BViewer. So one of the very interesting thing in the BViewer is that if we have a digital image, so either we can get it from local server, I mean a local computer, and there is another approach. We can directly get it from the source, where the x-rays is done, and get it into the viewer automatically to the setup by using the local area network. So for that, I developed a localized PACS system. So that is, it is nothing related to any uploading into the any open domain. So it is a totally secure. So we can use that to get any X-ray through the PACS system. So I'm going to demonstrate that thing, and also to use how to use we can use that entire system. So so we have to just first start that thing. So now it will run locally, so it is not connected to any outside network. So so this is automatically, so that a port number, and that the a title, everything is there. So assume I have a some of the x-rays here. Yes, in the archive, I have some of the X-rays in some computers, or it has been X-ray has been done in the X-ray machine, X-ray room, and from that I can select that DICOM file. So like I went to the yes, so I can take a DICOM picture with assume a pneumothorax. So this thing, so it will be automatically going to sync. So upload complete. So if I now open the viewer, so we can find get the data automatically here. Just that may take few seconds to get it. Then you can find that it's automatically come into the BViewer, and I can add that image. So whenever I can add that image, so it will be present here, and based on that, I can I can open that image. Now I can proceed for that. So for this, I'm going to show you another, which is which we can do it again. So like another one. So I can update the image, like yes, I did this one, open, so it's synchronizing. And if we can go and go there, so again you can find that yes, a new image arrived. So here it is, everything is run locally, so you are getting in your system, in your local server, and you can directly get that image into your viewer software. So you did not to every time upload it manually. So that is a entirely automated process. So now, so after that synchronization and after getting that image, how we can actually process for the ILO classification. So let's assume, so this is the image and it's opened here. And now I can do that actual classification, like image quality. I can do it, accept or not. I mean, one class, image quality one or two or three. If it is two or three, depending on that. So then based on that, I can proceed. So is it a normal study or not? If it is not a normal study, so then if I can select, so all that thing, I can select. So here I'm just demonstrating for the for just a demonstration purpose. So plural abnormality, if it is a yes, so we can put it all these things. And if any other abnormalities is present, I can select. So I can give I can write my comment also. So now after this is done, so during that process, whenever required, so I can as per the protocol, as per the guideline. So I can compare the images side by side. So for that, we require the diagnostic monitors to understand the to get the pixel level, and based on their guideline given by the ILO. So we require a specific type of diagnostic monitors. So yes, I will discuss this in some other time. But yes, the thing is, we can monitor, we can change, we can automatically compare all the standard radiographs with the patient radiographs. So now after that, we can, so from that, this, so we can produce the report. So yes, if I can proceed, so this report, we can, yes, so a type of reading and this thing, and so the report, and yes, report is complete. So now I can approve the report. So after the approval, I can get it, and then I can check the print report. So all these things can be done. So yes, produce report. Okay, it's there. So yes, check the print report, and it is saved. Either you can print it or you can save it. And as per the new rules also, it is electronically to be data to be maintained, and also to be communicated in electronic manner. So that's why this entire workflow of getting the image, then reading it using the BViewer software. So it is entirely done automated manner, and it's not related to uploading the image to any server, any external servers. It is to be kept into your local server. So there is the DPDP acts and regulations. So data security, everything is related to your local server only. There will be no such no such exposure of the DICOM image is to outer server. So that's why it might be a very good solution. Those who are doing it on regular basis, and for that we are doing the training program. So regular basis using that digital method, and along with the conventional method. So, but yes, as per the new guideline, the digital system is definitely the only way of the DICOM digital image. And for reporting purpose, either you can select that format which is given here, so that format, or because the format which is given in the ILO, given in the central rule in the mines, that is basically the very abbreviated version of that format. So this is the original one. From that only we can go for that abbreviated version. So without doing that, directly we can comment on that abbreviated version, which is given in the IMAPME of the in the mines. But otherwise, training is mandatory for all medical officers as per the new central. So thank you to all of you.